How to enter Twitch 1099 form on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you are a Twitch streamer and received a 1099 form, you need to report your income accurately on TurboTax. For this, you want to gather your tax documents. Now open TurboTax and log into your account. Start or continue your tax return. Now you want to click on Income and Expenses. Select Self-Employment Income and Expenses option from there. When asked if you have income from 1099 NEC, select Yes. Now enter the details from your 1099 NEC. That includes payer's name, payer's EIN, and amount in box 1. Now add other income not reported on a 1099. Then TurboTax will prompt you to enter expenses for your Twitch streaming business. Once that is done, TurboTax will calculate your self-employment tax and any deductions. Now review all the information you have entered. Then you can file your tax return through TurboTax, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.